Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you one of the best strategies you can be using to trade coin on spot. Okay, so all you just need to do is to make a choice of a coin that you just want to buy, and make sure that you have a capital that is not less than 30 USD. So if you get a capital that is not less than 30 USD, the first thing that you just need to do is to come to your trade. So best you should go to gainers and check the coin that is currently moving the market. Okay, so you come to this very place and make a choice. Okay, come to this very place and make a choice. So let's say I'm taking this because I'm seeing it with a lot of potential. Okay, let's say I'm taking this coin. So the first thing that you just need to do is to come to this very place and buy this coin. Okay, I say you should divide your capital into three. Buy this coin. Okay, let's see, I'm holding some, so let me just cancel. I'll open some trade. So if you just come to this very place, look at the market if it is okay for you. All right, so you also look at the previous move. You can see from here to there, from here to there, and so the first thing that you just need to do in this very place is to buy at the current market. Okay, at the market is trying to move, so you should buy at the current market. I'm using 10 USDT to buy, so I've divided my capital. I'm using 10 USDT to enter an instant market. So since I've bought it at this very volume, is it's putting me on what on orders, and now my orders has been executed. Okay, so I currently buy this one at 3.6352. So at 3.6352 I purchased this one. Then there is something else again I need to do. So you can check how low this one is going to be. You can see here. Okay, you can see this very place. This down here is 3.62. So what you just need to do again, go back to the chart. If you go back to the chart, look at it very carefully what is going to happen. Okay, so in case it starts going down again, so you're going to paste another trade below 3.6352 that we just bought. Okay, this strategy you're going to like it, and it will going to work for you a lot. Okay, with this you will make a very high profit. So all you just need to do is to go back to buy, click on buy. If you click on buy, come down to this very place and change this trading volume, change this trading volume to 3.2, and come here to buy again. Put the volume of the USDT you want to buy, paste your trade at this very point again, which is going to be 3.2, use 10. Okay, click on buy. So by clicking on buy now, I've opened another order. Okay, in case it goes below what I currently purchased. Okay, in case it goes below what I currently purchased, it will and my second market will be executed. And if my second market is being executed, then I will also be in profit. Okay, because it will automatically change the volume down to this 3.2. Okay, that is it. So they go back to the chart and watch again, and to the glory of God, I think this current entry is working to our favor. So go back to trade again. If you go back to trade again, turn this whole thing to the volume of your choice, 2.7. Let's say you take it to 2.7 in case this went below what you are looking for or what you trade in. Come back to this very place again and paste another trade. Okay, if you are getting this, please show a sign that you are getting it or that you got it. Okay, and if you do have any question, don't forget to drop it at the comment section and I will attend to you ASAP. If you are coming across to this very channel for the first time, do well to subscribe and give it a like, please. And if this is your second time coming across this very channel and you are yet to subscribe, please do, so that we can keep moving. Okay, so I'll come to this very place again and paste another trade at 2.7. Okay, this is a high strategy that you're going to like it. You're going to like it a lot. Okay, so I'm going to paste another trade at what 2.7. Click on buy. I'll click on buy. I've opened a second order. Okay, I've opened a second order. Okay, so go back to chat again and see. Good, it's moving fine. Currently it's moving fine to our favor. That's great. So if you come to this chart, I've opened two currently. Okay, I opened first one at what, at 3.2, and I opened second one at what, at 2.7. Okay, so what is currently trading now is just 10 USDT. Okay, I'm just trading with 10 USDT currently. So all you just need to do is to check. Watch carefully. We have opened what, two orders on this very trade. Okay, the first order is 3.2 and the second order is 2.7. Okay, second order is what, is 2.7. You can see the second order here is 2.7. The first order here is 3.2. Okay, all right. So all you just need to do is to follow this very strategy bit by bit and start making your money. Okay, so if there's any question to ask, please do well to drop it in the comment section. I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning of this very video to the end. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.